What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the randomly shuts off issue in your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on battery. Now tap on additional features and then tap on schedule power on or off. Now from here turn off the power on time button and power off time button. So if these buttons are turned on, then your phone will turn on and off on the set time. So to fix the randomly shuts off issue, turn off these features and tap on this icon on the top right corner to save changes. And after that your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings again, tap on more connectivity options and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now tap on reset settings and enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now after entering the pin, password or pattern, it will reset the network settings in your phone, and resetting the network settings will help you to fix the randomly shuts off issue. So that's how you can fix the randomly shuts off issue in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.